What if you had a personal headhunter working 24/7 for free? That's exactly what we're about to build.
We will start by creating a Headhunter agent inside ChatGPT agent mode using a simple prompt.
Open ChatGPT, paste in the prompt, and customize it with your expertise and job titles.
Once that is ready, open another ChatGPT window and click GPT on the left panel.
Then go to Create in the top right corner. That is where your agent begins.
Use the ChatGPT output to add your agent's name and description so it feels personal. The configure instructions exactly as provided. This gives your agent its brain.
Follow the rest of the configure steps and upload your resume, star stories, and key documents.
Add conversation starters. Quick prompts make it easy to launch searches every day.
Schedule it to run twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening, so you always get fresh roles. Consistency, you could land your next role in as little as 6 weeks with an AI headhunter that never sleeps.
If you would like help setting this up, comment HELP below. And do not forget to like, share, and follow for more.